Let them win so they don't scream. Really cool. You speed through the street. You see them, Em? You see them? They're coming.
What do you want for me?
Out on the street. Don't in the over there. I'd love to live on the street. The only bad thing about the street is got a cranky old man that lives in the corner. And if he comes out and sees them riding, he's going to start yelling. Like he owns the street. Boy, we would be bumping heads. Take it easy without any helmet on, huh?
What?
Right there, you turn. Right here. Do not go into that street. One more time. You see him? You see him? You see him? He's coming. He's coming.